Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to open and have a look at the Zuru MiniBrands Really Works vinyl player, as well as open 2 capsules. I got this a little over a week ago and I just haven't had time to sit and record. I have been working frantically on the diorama, trying to get it ready. It was my May project. It's now heading into the end of June, so yeah. But that thing is huge and there's a lot that's going to be in it, and now that I'm ready to put this in there, it's time to get it open. So let's see, we'll just start with the main product here. I'm sure everyone has seen this. These are widely available. Zuru did its thing with bringing this to market. I know everyone wants the MiniVerse one, but so far they have not delivered, and I am not going to pay $100+ to scalpers online. Now, I did see on Walmart the cheapest scalper price was $85.99 with free shipping. No ma'am, I'm not doing it. What I am doing is struggling with this little piece of side tape. Go. Okay, so it opens like this. I am pretty sure it will be like all of the other MiniBrands real products that we have opened previously, which I have kept those boxes in hopes to do something with them. I have no idea what I'm going to do. So one thing that is different about this one, it is rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about fighting with batteries. So part 2, let's see. I just don't want to damage it, you know. Pinch those and pull them. Pinch and turn them. Not 100%. Oh, these have like a little squeezy tab. Just squeeze it and release it. So I'm just going to move it further. Take that off, and this tape. And there is our album. It is the Bruno Mars Rose. There is the little stand that says now playing. You can put your album cover in that. Here is our record right there. And here is our player. All of these pieces. Okay, so here is the player. It's what looks like a speaker. It has that speaker material texture. Of course, that is the speaker. The sides, there's the charging port, and then the other, like, so that it looks like there's other little ports on there. Of course, this comes off, and there is the player, and it has a the dotted lines so that you could cut this off and use it like it was another record. Just got to remove that little sticky tab on the back, but I'll do that later. So hopefully it has enough charge to play. Okay. So as you heard, hopefully, it does play. It has an on-off switch, but you also have to press down this mechanism to lower the needle, and that's what actually causes it to play. So just so you know on that, let me just remove the record. So that is really cute. I'm looking forward to getting that in the diorama. I have the perfect place for it. I'm so excited. So now let's open capsule 1 of 2. Now tell me, are you collecting these? Are you looking for them? Do you have a preference, or do you want them both? I obviously had a preference, but couldn't get it, so we're going this way. All right. So I'm assuming this is my prize, probably the container that holds the albums. I'm not really sure. Oh no, we get a speaker, dude. Yes. That's wonderful. I didn't know. Of course I didn't know. I haven't opened any of these. So yeah, we got a speaker. Now we gotta hope there's one in there. All right, MiniBrands, do me right. We have Chappelle. I believe that's who that is. Very nice. And Lola Young. I don't know who that is. I probably know the song, but not so much the artist, you know. And Smash Mouth. And the last one is Sting. Now that's more my style. Yes. I'm an 80s girl. Come on now, y'all. Okay, I'm not going to mess with the collector's guide yet. I want to go ahead and get this second one open. I'm excited. I'm pretty proud of myself. I waited I waited a week to the day. Like, literally. Since I don't have a Target here and it was my travel day, I actually ordered it at the store that was in the direction of where I was traveling, and I picked it up while I was out there, so it worked just fine for me. And when I was there, they had like 5 boxes of the other brand albums, but no players. I just don't understand. Okay. Here we go. I will not need a second one of these. This does not feel like another speaker. So I got, oh, a pair of headphones. Okay. I'd rather have a speaker, but okay. And hopefully that means that these are not duplicates. Of course. Smash Mouth, duplicate. Shania Twain, I know who she is. And then this is Fall Out Boy. And the final one is Spaceman. No idea who that is either. So let me grab my pen and we will have a look at this collector's guide. Hang on. Okay. Just gonna move these. All right. So we got Sting. We got Smash Mouth, Walking on the Sun ×2. We got Fall Out Boy, Sugar, We're Going Down. We got Spaceman's Delicious, it's Nick Jonas. Messy by Lola Young. Wait, Fall Out Boy. There's 2 different ones. Trying to see. Y'all gonna make me put on glasses. That ain't even funny. Y'all see my new glasses? I told you I went and got new ones. These are for reading, which I've never had to have before. From Under the Cork Tree. I don't see which song that is, and they're listed twice on identical album covers, so I'm gonna have to look into that and see which one we actually did get. And then we got Pink Pony Club from the Chaperone. And then Shania Twain, Man, I Feel Like a Woman. Boop, 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 doo, 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 doo. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's them. So I will put on the screen which one this is. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to do it now. These have a internal sleeve as well as the album cover, which is a nice addition because that is the way original vinyls came. I still can't read it, you guys. All I can see is the Fallout Boy. Hang on. Because it's that. It's like the gray. And the lettering is in white. So let me play it and see if I can tell what it is. All right, hang on. Okay, it is the Sugar We're Going Down. So it is the original one I marked, which is nice because I don't have to scratch it out or start over. I mean, I do have another one I could start over, but I'm not doing that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are having a beautiful day. I have missed you guys, but like I said, I have been working like crazy to get that diorama done. It is huge. Right now, all of the furniture is set, and now we're doing the little decorating. Trying to decide if I want to put like printable windows. I have these. I have these by my Froggy Stuff, but I really think they are too large. I don't know why they did. I don't know why they printed that big, or if they were supposed to, because her rooms are actually smaller than mine. So I think something went a little odd when printing those. But anyway, so I got to figure that out and figure decorating, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, like this video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section, and if you are going to collect these, if you are collecting these, and which set did you get, which set did you want, did you get them both? You're gonna make me jealous. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.